So thank you guys for tuning in. Chris Quinteros, let's get to it. Busy week, and you're gonna see me do some things that I haven't actually done in quite some time. Work with some metal. So I do a lot of wood-based work, and a lot of the drywall guys focus more on metal studs. So just doing a lot of metal work, and obviously they have more experience in kind of like working and going through with the screws and how to do it. So there's a trick to this, because when you use the impact and then you're trying to put it inside the metal, you want to actually start kind of slow, and then if you can with your left hand, put back pressure, and then as you see like it's causing a circular motion and drilling a hole, that's when you want to apply the more power onto the impact, and then it's going to go in. Now if you got a lot of experience and then your impact has different settings, power 1, power 2, power 3, obviously the higher it is the stronger, then you can put it on setting number 3 and then just go vroom, and then just use that backhand with extra force, and then it should go through as well. But I was kind of just getting the gist of things on how to do that, because it was quite difficult. And then just being able to use the chop saw, which is for a lot of cutting the metal studs or metal in general, and a lot of the drywall guys use it, and we use this kind of like drywall just to like write down all the measurements as well. So I'm just kind of like giving you a little gist of like what I do at the job site. I recorded a lot more, but I noticed that the camera angle wasn't the best, so I do apologize. I want to get a better camera angle. But what I am gonna say is that it all depends on your mindset and your mentality. So it was frustrating at first for me, because the hardest critic is honestly gonna be yourself, and like I wanted to get it right off the bat. And a lot of the times I've been fortunate where like if I pick up something, I get it pretty fast. Unfortunately, this was kind of difficult at first, so I needed a day, and I went to Home Depot, bought some tools. I was like, no, I'm not gonna let this defeat me. And I came in with a better mindset the next day, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a lot better. So I killed it today. Thankfully, not as fast as I would want, but slowly but surely progressing and doing things a lot better. So the most important thing is just mindset, and just always trying to be extremely disciplined in what you want to do. So if you want to progress in something, especially like in the trades, showing up is just half the battle. And then just always critically analyzing people who are better than you, seeing how they do things, and then getting good clamps as well. So I went to Home Depot and I wanted to purchase some good clamps. I didn't find any good ones for me personally, and I'll show you an image of photo right here of a clamp that I think is good and where you can purchase them. And I'll probably drop down the Amazon link, so possibly you guys can get them. More so if you're especially working on drywall and using studs and metal, for sure I would highly recommend some clamps. Now if you're doing carpentry, maybe you won't use them as much with the wood, but you never know, you might need them down the road. So I'm gonna drop down these clamps and these links, see if you guys want them or not. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, what I did this whole week. So I truly do appreciate you guys, and just trying to be consistent with uploading videos, and I appreciate you guys so much. So saluda mi gente, Dios me lo bendiga. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you until next time.